Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to track leads and customers from Google Ads in GoHighLevel. Now before we get started, you will need a GoHighLevel account, so you can get one with our link down below. You get a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel. This is for everyone that is watching this particular video. So let's get started. So guys, you want to go, and first thing you want to do is you want to choose the correct Google Ad account in integration. So the user who has connected Google account should have the maximum permissions a user, administrator, or Google account ad manager access. So step 2 is to select the correct MCC account ID and client account ID, which can be found in your section right here. MCC ID is present at the top right corner in your Google Ads section. So this is in your heading basically. So just go and click on that. And you can also go to help and you have customer ID right here. So from here, you'll need to add the UTM template to the Google Ad account. Now, basically you want to copy this right here. This is the UTM tracking template. This can be added to 3 places. It can be added to the account settings, campaign settings, or ad group level. Now, as you can see, they recommend adding this to the UTM template at the account level settings. So basically how it works is the IP URL is a tracker. A tracking template must include a value track parameter, which is IP URL. Now, once your ad is clicked, these parameters will insert your final URL. And if you don't include a URL insertion parameter in your tracking template, your landing page URL will break. So you need to add this right here and this code right here as well. So for example, if you have example.com here, tracking example will be this right here. Now, as you can see, this is basically the tracking example. Now, a landing page URL after clicking ads is this right here. So basically you want to go to your Google Ads account, go to the account settings, go to tracking. Here you will have tracking, and here you can paste that tracking or UTM URL. So once you obviously do that, you can also go and adding script for precautionary measures. Obviously, this is something you can add on top, but that's pretty much it, right? This is how you will be able to go and track leads and customers from Google Ads in GoHighLevel. Now in GoHighLevel, you will need to go and just add your MCC account. You will need to go into integrations and add your account there. But that's pretty much it. Obviously, this is just the start. This is just how to connect your leads and customers from your Google Ads in GoHighLevel. Once you have this, you can use your workflows. You can use different type of things such as landing pages, workflows to add leads and customers from your Google Ads in GoHighLevel. But this is pretty much a very basic overview on how to track leads and customers from Google Ads, and how to set up Google Ad reporting as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you find it useful. You can get a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel down below if you go to our link, and we'll see you in the next video.